I think they should start Palmer, Pedri and Rodri, I think. That's a good midfield, and then should have two wingers, but all their wingers are injured. Only Yamal is like with semi-injured, is fit. Nico Williams is out for World Cup. Jeremy Pino is out for World Cup. Victor Munoz, the Liverpool guy, I think he's just coming out of injury, so he'll be forced to play. We'll see how he does. They bought him for 40 million. Yeah, I think this whole Spain style is like without wingers to stretch it, it's just dead. It's the same like football they played in 2022 with Luis Enrique. Without wingers, it's just trash. You just circle back. You could actually see that in like Portugal game too, like those like. Right, we're here.
Oh, everybody's taking this exit. 3 in a row. 3 of us in a row.
Shit fans.
Yeah, I wonder.
Fuck, I'm so hungry and tired.
Yeah. I'm starting to get sleepy. So it's a good time.
I'll probably finish the chips and go to sleep then. I don't want to like take out and heat the food and then.
Oh, am I being pulled over?
No, how do you? Oh shit.
No.
No, is it us? Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's us, I guess.
Are we very fast enough? I don't think so.
I don't think so. I guess.
Hi there, True Iowa State Police. Just need driver's license and the registration for the vehicle.
What's going on? Just driver's license? Were we going fast or?
Nope.
What'd you say the check was for? And registration?
You guys just heading back to West Lafayette?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys originally from Tennessee?
I'm from Tennessee.
Okay. Where you guys coming from?
Chicago.
Okay. Long day for you?
Very long day. Couple of days for me.
Okay.
Travel.
Alright.
But registration in here.
Button.
Alright.
Is it this one?
It's insurance. Here it is.
So we got a call of a gray SUV that was swerving all over the road, unable to maintain speed, nearly sideswiping some vehicles. Okay. So they were thinking that the driver was possibly impaired.
Okay. I think that was not us. I don't think we were swerving.
I don't think so.
But yeah, I got you.
So, well, the caller was she called back just a little bit ago, and she said that she believed the vehicle was a couple vehicles behind her.
Okay.
You were the only one.
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
Okay, and then obviously, when you saw me, you hit the brakes and slowed down below the speed limit.
Yeah,
and
I did do that, but I was.
You were swerving just a little bit, but not outside of your line. Nothing crazy. Okay. When's the last time you were pulled over?
I've never been pulled over actually.
You've never been pulled over
in my entire life. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just stay here. Be calm before I come back up here.
Gotcha.
All right. Where are we swerving?
I don't think we were swerving. I literally have this lane assist thing on.
Yeah.
So I think.
Let's not argue.
I don't think it was us.
Let's not argue.
Yeah, for sure.
There's your information back, okay? So, we took this one a little bit more seriously because right just a few minutes before her call, we had a wrong-way driver call on the interstate, and they didn't have a vehicle description, so we were thinking that maybe it was one and the same.
Okay,
so.
gotcha. Is there a ticket or?
Just a warning.
anything?
Just
Okay.
letting you know why I stopped you.
All right,
Okay,
gotcha. All right,
thank
thank you
you.
so much. sir.
Not a problem. Have a good night.
All right, good night.
Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, hang on. Let me put this
So
away.
does warning go in a record? Or is it just like
I'm not sure. Oh, I guess I do have a warning card here. Let's take a look.
oh okay. Oh, that's you print it out and that's right.
Yeah, I guess it does go on the record. Interesting. I don't think it was me.
Driver's license, commercial, unsafely in movement on road with 2 or move something. Warning, that's it.
Alright, let's get home.